Thank you, Chair. I was elected to represent the Welsh national interest, and that's what I'll continue to do. The people of Wales have the democratic right to decide on their own future, and that includes the kind of EU withdrawal that takes place and the way that it affects our nation. The devolved administrations of the UK, including Wales, of course, should be involved at every stage of the negotiations. I do not accept that the interests of Wales can be ignored by the UK government, but that is exactly what is happening. Despite the publication of the White Paper, Securing Wales's Future, produced by Plaid Cymru and the Welsh Government, it's a comprehensive and constructive plan which includes our continuing participation in the single market, which is a top priority for our economy and our communities. I see Wales's potential as a successful nation. We have a lot to contribute to this process and to build in the future, and our voice must be heard. Thank you.